Bali earthquake live updates. Lombok hit by 10.5.0 magnitude earthquakes in 24 hours. Lombok has been hit by 10 earthquakes of magnitude 5.0 or higher in the past 24 hours as Indonesia struggles to deal with the aftermath of a huge tremor that killed hundreds last week. Nearly 500 people have died in quakes and aftershocks since the 29th of July across the northern coast of the island, which lies just east of Indonesia's top tourist destination, Bali. And on Sunday, another magnitude 6.9 tremor struck the region, killing at least 14 people. More than 100 aftershocks have been recorded since Sunday night's quake, which sent panicked residents into the streets and cut power and communication lines across the island.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.